If Gmail is showing a cannot get mail error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your inbox working again as quickly as possible. These methods are simple, safe, and work for most Gmail users, whether you're on desktop or using a browser-based mail setup. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with Google Storage, because a full storage account is one of the most common reasons Gmail stops receiving mail properly. Open your browser and go to one.google.com/storage. Once the page loads, check how much storage you have left across Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. If your storage is full or almost full, delete unnecessary files, old emails with large attachments, or photos you no longer need. You can also empty the trash and spam folders to free up space. If you want a quicker solution, you can upgrade your storage plan. After that, go back and try Gmail again to see if the error is resolved. Next, sign out and sign back into your Google account. Open accounts.google.com, then sign out completely from your account. After that, sign back into Gmail using the same Google account connected to your inbox. Sometimes a temporary account sync issue can trigger mail errors, and a fresh sign-in often clears it up immediately. If the problem is still there, try opening Gmail in Incognito Mode. On your browser, click the three dots menu and choose New Incognito Window or New Private Window. Then open mail.google.com inside that private window and test Gmail there. Incognito Mode disables most saved session data and can help you figure out whether the issue is being caused by your browser profile. If Gmail works in incognito, then the problem is likely related to browser cache, cookies, or extensions. That brings us to the next fix, which is clearing your cache and cookies. Go to your browser menu, click the three dots, and select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you choose cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then clear the data and restart your browser. This step removes old temporary files that may be interfering with Gmail loading or syncing correctly. After that, go back to mail.google.com and test it again. Now let's check IMAP settings, because if you're using Gmail with another mail app or email client, IMAP needs to be enabled for proper syncing. Open mail.google.com, click the settings gear icon, then choose See All Settings. From there, go to Forwarding and POP/IMAP. Look for the IMAP section and make sure Enable IMAP is turned on. Once you've enabled it, scroll down and click Save Changes. This allows other email apps and services to properly connect and read your Gmail messages. If you still cannot get mail, the final thing to check is your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions can interfere with Gmail and prevent messages from loading correctly. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Temporarily turn off any ad blockers, tracking blockers, privacy extensions, or security add-ons one by one. After disabling them, refresh Gmail and check if the error goes away. If Gmail starts working, you'll know one of those extensions was the cause. You can then re-enable them one at a time to identify which one is interfering. So to recap, if Gmail says cannot get mail, check your Google storage, sign out and sign back in. Try Incognito Mode, clear cache and cookies, enable IMAP, and disable problematic browser extensions. One of these fixes usually solves the issue fast. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.